Welcome to the Neath Port Talbot Wild World Summer Reading Challenge. Cool, that's a mouthful, isn't it? Have you signed up yet? I hope you have. If you haven't signed up for the Summer Reading Challenge, there's still time. Go to your nearest library. Yes, you're allowed to go to your nearest library now. Sign up for the Summer Reading Challenge. Get your pack, get yourself registered and all. Oh, hang on. I just spotted one of my friends. Hang on a minute. What do you do? Oh, hang on a minute. Come here. What are you doing? It's Mischief. I didn't know you were here. How did you get here? Well, that doesn't explain it. But you're here to... We're talking about the Summer Reading Challenge. Are you going to do it this year? I've got to tell you, when Mischief does the Summer Reading Challenge, I have to read the books to him. And that's fine, isn't it? You like it. You like me reading stories to you. So, we're going to go off and read a book. I didn't know you were here. I've got some books with me. Do you want me to read you a story in Margam Park? We're here at Margam Park. Well, you know you're in Margam Park. I don't know how you got here. Right, okay, let's go and find a quiet spot. It's a hot day, and I'll read you a story. How about that? Yeah, I hope he doesn't get into any mischief. I hope you have fun doing the Summer Reading Challenge like me and Mischief and Lionel. We're all going to be doing it, aren't we? Go ahead, go and get some books. Make sure you're joined up. Go and visit your librarian, the top people. See you later. You going to say goodbye? No, you're not. Okay, I'll say goodbye. See you later. Ta-da! And when he came to the place where the wild things are, they roared their terrible roars, and gnashed their terrible teeth, and rolled their terrible eyes, and showed their terrible claws. They're really scary, aren't they? Are you scared? No, it's just a story, isn't it? It's not real, it's just pretend, isn't it? Should we turn the page and find out what happens to Max when he's where the wild things are? Yeah, okay, here we go. Well, Neath Port Talbot, there we are. We've had a lovely time here in Margam Park, haven't we? And look, you've read your first book of the Summer Reading Challenge. So you're one down, aren't you? Yeah, you see, you can read picture books. All books count. So if you haven't got signed up for that Summer Reading Challenge, get yourself signed up, isn't it? Because we're going to have great fun reading books everywhere. And I hope you do too, okay? Go and see your local librarian. We'll see you later, won't we? Yeah, I hope he understands exactly what this Summer Reading Challenge is. Well, enjoy the Summer Reading Challenge. We'll see you again, won't we? Ta-da!